This is a vendor price update text file. Your vendor can send you a text file or a CSV file. The file has 4 columns of data. UPC number. This number should have 11 digits. Description. Per or UOM. This is the unit of measure, EC, M or 1, 100, 1000, etc. Price, the price that you pay for the item. You can open a text file in Excel. The data is much easier to read and revise. Click the File menu. Click on Open. Click on Browse. If you don't change the file type to text files, you will not see the vendor's text file. Click on Text Files. Double-click the vendor price file. Use the default values for step 1 of 3. Click the Next button. Use the default values for step 2 of 3. Click the Next button. Select the Text Radio button. If you don't select to format the UPC number as text, any UPC numbers that have a leading 0, the leading 0 will be dropped. Click the Finish button. Double-click between column A and B to expand the UPC column. Double-click between column B and C to expand the description column. Double-click between column C and D to expand the per column. Double-click between column D and E to expand the price column. You can change anything in the spreadsheet. If you save the spreadsheet, the text file will be saved with the changes. Click the Save button. Click the Close button. Click the Update Item Prices button. Click the Update Vendor Pricing with a vendor's price file. Click the drop-down button. Select the vendor that provided the price update file. Selecting the vendor will add the vendor pricing to the Item Editor's Pricing Details tab. Doing so will allow you to automatically use the lowest priced vendor in your estimates. Click the Browse button in the Import Items screen. This will allow you to select your item import file. Double-click the vendor price file. Click the Read Prices button. Click the % column header. View the percentages to determine how your vendor has raised or lowered your material prices. Clicking the Update Prices button will update all of the matching UPC numbers that you have in your local database. Click the Update Prices button. Click the Close button.